to fix Instagram filters not showing. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix and solve this problem on your Instagram. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So now, and first go and open the settings of your phone. Then go directly to apps. Here, as you see, you have to search for Instagram. Open Instagram. When you found it, then here you will find a list. Scroll up the screen and go to storage. Then go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and go back, click on for stop and click OK. And now go and update your Instagram if it's not updated, and you have to restart your phone after this. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another